These mates in here are short-tailed hawks. The short-tailed hawk scientific name is Boteo brachyrius. Unknown widespread population studies have not been conducted on these elusive birds as of 2023. Short-tailed hawks can spot prey from up to 800 feet in the air. Unknown according to the Cornell Lab, these birds rank highest among Florida's vertebrates in terms of the need for research. They are one of the least studied raptors in the U.S. Habitat loss will always be concern for an already small population in our area. These guys feed on other birds. Short-tailed hawks come in two color morphs, light and dark. In Florida, the dark morphs are more prevalent, but that does not seem to be the case in the rest of its range.